In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices settings and in them scrolling all the way down. Now tap on About Phone at the bottom. Then choose device name at the top and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on OK and then select OK in device name pop-up about visibility to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my DOOGEE has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!